Our first meditation today is in order to help your immune system, help your lungs so that they could stay well and healthy. The first thing we want to be able to do is explain how the brain works. So think of it as our brain has two areas in our brain, one that is very ancient and one that is newer. What does that mean? Well, if you think about it, this brain here, or a mini brain, is called the subcortex, and this one is called the neocortex. The two areas of our brain are very smart, brilliant. However, there is a difference between these two. This one is a very ancient, it's almost 500 to a billion years old, while this one is only maybe 2 to 300 million years old. So what happens is in evolution time is that these two brains have adapted to this planet, to the various viruses, to the various dangers that we have encountered. But this brain here does not speak English, does not speak any language except a somatic language, except the language of imagery. While this one here does speak English and is able to adapt to words, concepts, like the ones that you're listening to me right now. So in order for us to communicate in an effective way, we need to communicate in the language of imagery. And that's what hypnosis does, is to help you with imagery that it might not mean much to us, to this brain, but to this one it means a lot. So for example, if I were to ask you to close your eyes for a second and to imagine yourself being in a beautiful river right next to the ocean or right next to waterfalls, this one here will know what our words mean, but the imagery that this one will have will be so effective that this one will begin to feel relaxed, to listen to the sounds, and then this one will translate that relaxation into the body by helping your body feel the relaxation. And this one here is connected with every single one of your organs through the 10 cranial nerves, the vagus nerves, both ventral and the dorsal vagus nerves that travels throughout your body. So what we want to be able to do is we want to be able to communicate with this little brain in imagery. And that's what we're going to do today.